Hey everyone, welcome to my channel French by Bhumi. The first collection of videos, it's just a basic idea and it's for beginners, that is A1. This is gonna be our first video. More videos will be coming in future. Subscribe my channel to stay tuned. In this lesson, you will learn a few greetings in French, the way we speak in France. The orange words are French and the blue words are English. Salutations is the word in French which is greetings in English. Remember, salutations. How to say hello in French? Bonjour. One more time. Bonjour. Please see the sound and word on the screen. How to say good evening in French? Bonsoir. Once again, bonsoir. In France, once you reach the end of the afternoon around 6 p.m., you stop saying bonjour and you start to say bonsoir, which means good evening. You can use bonsoir when saying goodbye, where it will translate more to good night instead of hello. How to say goodbye in French? Au revoir. Once again, au revoir. How to say see you soon in French? À bientôt. Once again, à bientôt. The small signs you may note on French words are accents, and we will learn them in upcoming videos. Now, we are gonna see how you can introduce yourself. To ask someone's name, you should say, Comment t'appelles-tu? One more time. Comment t'appelles-tu? To answer the question, you should respond, Je m'appelle, and your name. Here, our character's name is Lisa, so Je m'appelle Lisa. The informal conversation. The word salut in French is used both to greet people and to take your leave. It's used with people that you are on familiar terms with whom you will generally address using the informal tu. Here we can read Salut, je m'appelle Léa. Salut, je m'appelle Julie. Here is a recap of the words that we studied today. Bonjour, bonsoir, bonjour that you should use in day, and bonsoir in the night. Salut, which means hi. Au revoir, goodbye. À bientôt, see you soon. Bonjour monsieur, hello sir. Bonjour madame, hello madame. May note that in French, to write monsieur, we use M dot, and for madame, double M-E dot. Here is an example of a formal conversation. You must use bonjour monsieur or madame for elderly people or strangers. Recap for introduction. Je m'appelle, my name is. Je suis de, I am from. Comment t'appelles-tu? What's your name? Thank you for watching my video. I hope it's informative. À bientôt!